In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if Twitch is not working on a Google Chrome browser and how we can do this. There are multiple reasons why this is happening. Sometimes you'll not be able to load the Twitch, or you're not able to access the Twitch on the Google Chrome, and these are the steps you need to try. First of all, what you need to do is you have to click on the three-dot menu here. From here, navigate to the settings. Now from here, go to the privacy and security. From here, go to the deleting browsing data. And from here, you have to click on the mode icon. Make sure that you set this to all time. And right now, all kind of browsing history, cookies and other site data, and also the cached images and files, and even the download history will be completely gone. So this is the first step, and you can just go back and try reloading, and you have to check. If not, what you need to do is we have to click on the three-dot menu once again, and from here you have to navigate to the extension and click on manage extension. So if you're having any kind of extension, that is one of the reason why it is happening. So if anything is turned on, try turning off all kind of extensions that is being turned on your Google Chrome. Next thing is all about what you need to do is you have to go to the settings from here itself. Now click on the reset setting. There is an option called restore settings to their original default. Click on this and just go for reset setting. It will be making these kind of changes inside this, and once afterwards just go back and try reloading the Twitch, and this time it will be working like a fine and will not be having any kind of trouble. So these are the three different ways on how we can fix this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.